Right, so the reason you're watching this video is probably because you've had enough of all these expensive AI tools, and let me tell you, so have I. That's why I've been on the lookout for completely free AI tools that won't cost you a single dollar, and I can finally say that I've found the 20 best free AI tools out there. If you want to support my work, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment to push the algorithm. Having said that, let's start off with something fun, shall we? The first tool coming up is so unique that I've never seen something like it before. It's called AI Dungeon, and it's literally a chatbot powered by the Heyo AI platform that lets you create and play an RPG game based on your own prompts and story, under the guideline of Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition. At the beginning, you can choose your own class, race, settings, just like an old-school D&D RPG. But when it begins, it is a totally different story. Instead of getting the usual 2 or 3 choices on how you want to proceed like a normal RPG game, you can now write whatever you want your next move to be, and the game will tailor the story to your specific choice. Anyways, even if you're not a gamer, Heyo can still offer some valuable info. The platform regularly publishes AI news, tutorials on AI, and has a prompt library available for all users, all for free. Talking about AI news, I found yet another unique AI tool that lets you learn about the most important events regarding any chosen topic. Everyone likes a good podcast, right? This AI tool, called Tailor, will let you choose some subjects you are interested in, like AI for example, and then generate a whole podcast episode, newsletter, and emoji summary. Just listen to a snippet of this podcast on artificial intelligence that Tailor created.
Hey there, AI enthusiast. Welcome back to another exciting episode of AI Enthusiasts Daily. I'm your host, Nathan Newswell.
All you gotta do is choose the voice you prefer, your interests, and lastly, how long you want your episode to be. Let's say you're commuting to work, then 15 or 30 minutes might be more suitable than a quick 5-minute episode. What I'm trying to say is that it's completely up to you. The same applies to the information. Only listen to the subjects you care about, not what others like. Not to mention this AI tool is also completely free. You can't go wrong with trying it out. Next up, I want to talk about a tool that I've mentioned before. It's called TextBlaze. And on a more serious note, this one is actually so useful, using it for ChatGPT prompts or not. It'll save you a lot of time through such a simple concept. Basically, TextBlaze is about creating snippets, as they call them. It's pretty much a shortcut that you enter as a command anywhere on the web, and they'll insert the information you stored in the snippet. Now, they've got a free plan that includes access to creating basic snippets, like those I've created here. The thing I want to talk about, however, is how you can utilize their ChatGPT prompt library to not only get access to some great ChatGPT prompt templates, but also insert these prompt templates directly into ChatGPT, as seen here. This is a game changer for anyone using ChatGPT on a daily basis, as you can save tremendous amounts of time just typing your shortcut in the chat. We've got to keep this short, but there's a lot more to TextBlaze, such as integrating GPT to any web page, allowing text generation anywhere on the web. That, however, might require you to get their premium subscription. Now, moving on. Everyone that has been following the AI revolution has heard of Midjourney, right? $10 to $12 for the most basic subscription just to generate some images doesn't fit everyone. Thankfully, there's a platform called CArt that has been blowing up lately. There's so many different features you can access on CArt, even in AI chat. But to keep it short, they've got an image generator that actually generates some good stuff. I might have to blur some images because they're too sexual, if you wonder why. Anyways, there's loads of options where you can tweak the AI model so that you receive the best possible output. And considering this tool is also completely free, I'd say the creators have done a pretty good job. You get 200 stamina per day, which is very generous. Next up, I found a tool that looks very simple, but I have to tell you, I use it at least once per day for my different businesses. It's called Remove BG and uses advanced AI algorithms to remove any background from any photo you give it. Many websites that remove backgrounds often leave parts of the background, resulting in a very unsatisfying result. Not to mention, it's not even usable since the background is still showing. The point I'm trying to make is that because Remove BG uses an advanced AI model, it will never struggle with background removals. I've never received a bad result, and neither will you. Anyways, enough of that, it's free. Let's move on. In the 6th spot, I just have to mention ChatGPT. By now, everyone has probably formed their own opinion about this one AI tool. If you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, then it's probably because you've been living under a rock. I'm just kidding, but this AI chatbot was probably the reason artificial intelligence became so popular. Using some crazy algorithms and natural language processing, it responds to any query you prompt to it. Let's say you want to write a 600-word article about cheeseburgers, brainstorm 100 name suggestions for your dog, or generate a response to your angry girlfriend. ChatGPT will do it. Now, the quality of the output comes down to how you prompt it, so if you've only received bad results from it, you're probably doing it wrong. If that's the case, feel free to sign up for my newsletter about how you can leverage AI in your daily life. I've been posting some crazy tips on how to use ChatGPT, and there's more coming. You'll also receive the AI cheat sheet featuring 200+ tools that I've created upon signing up, so don't miss out. If I haven't mentioned it already, ChatGPT is completely free. Moving forward, Microsoft Designer. This AI tool is rather new and has a feel like Canva, at least according to me. It'll create pictures for things like social media posts, invitations, and drawings. As you can see here, the process to create your design is really simple. First, you just have to explain what you want your design to look like, and then just press Generate or try for free if you have not got an account yet. However, it might be worth mentioning that you need a Microsoft account to use it. Pretty worth it though since it's free. Number 8. GPT-0. This one is for all you people that use AI where it might not be allowed. I'm not saying you should use AI if it is forbidden, but if you happen to do it, control your text with GPT-0. This is a free tool that helps teachers check if a document was written by AI or a person. To use it, upload the desired document from your computer or just copy and paste it. Then, click Get Results. After some time, you'll get a score rating if your text is generated by AI or not. Pretty straightforward. It's of course free for documents up to 5,000 characters, which is great. Next up, Before Sunset. Before Sunset is a crazy AI tool made for people that need a little bit of help planning their week. Write some tasks or to-dos you need to get done, and it'll help you plan your day automatically. There's a lot of different features considering how new the tool is, but their primary goal is making you a lot more efficient and productive. Perfect for those who do not know where to start your day and end up procrastinating all your assigned tasks. You can expect access to almost all tools and 300 AI credits per month, all for free. Let's move on to the next, SciSummary. SciSummary makes it easy to summarize long texts or articles. It's currently available for free to those who sign up for their early access. You can use it to summarize PDFs, web links, or any text you provide. There's even features to choose how you want the summary to look, like a short overview, the main points, or what future research could be. This tool is really helpful when you have to deal with long and complicated academic abstracts. The two coolest features with SciSummary are that you can summarize a bunch of articles at once. Secondly, it can search for specific information in PDFs using special tools. And right now, it's of course free for normal use. Now, number 11, Grammarly. This is a tool most of you probably have heard about, or maybe not. Either way, it is great for anyone that struggles with grammar, setting the right tone, or writing in general. They've recently jumped aboard the AI train and released a writing assistant that will help you rewrite, rephrase, or improve your text in a matter of seconds. With 10 million plus users on only their Chrome extension, you can probably imagine that this company has gone the extra mile to really enhance your writing. And of course, as promised, they offer a free plan. Let's move on. At number 12, Gamma. Gamma uses AI to make it easier to create and share presentations, memos, and documents for free. It has many different templates in various categories to help you create a presentation about any subject. Just take a look at these pitch decks generated for building a colony on Mars. Right now, Gamma offers a free plan with 400 credits for making AI decks, and they're working on a paid plan. It even measures how people engage with your content, so you can make it even better. Great for anyone who wants to make their content more interesting and save time on formatting. Number 13, Prompt Vibes. This website will let you find the best possible ChatGPT prompts for your desired goal. If you want to write an email, simply enter that you are a businessman that wants to write an email about, let's say, stocks, and you will get access to their library of prompts. As you can see here, there's a lot of tips and prompts on how to make ChatGPT adapt to your specific needs. Perfect if you generally struggle with getting useful responses from ChatGPT. This next tool is another unique tool you probably haven't heard of before. It's called RiseMail. This free AI tool makes your email experience easier by summarizing your emails within seconds, saving you time on long messages. It can handle different types of emails, like newsletters and long threads. It's very simple to use, and you don't need to leave your email inbox. Just forward the email you want to summarize to their email address, and they'll reply with a summary. Sounds pretty simple, right? Number 15. MagicWrite. This website is so self-explanatory, I don't even need to explain it. Type what you want their AI model to write for you, and it'll do it right away. Unlike many websites, you don't need to sign up, and the results are still just as good. Next up, DeepL. This is without a doubt my favorite translation tool. It's super easy to use, pretty much the same process as Google Translate. The real difference is the quality of the outputs. There's no translator on the internet that provides as accurate and nuanced translations as DeepL. I'm not being dramatic, because this is actually true. I use it every single day, and it never disappoints. Try it out for yourself and see. It's 100% free. Number 17. Canva. This list wouldn't be complete without Canva, the ultimate platform for any graphics designer, noob or experienced. Traditionally, you wouldn't think of Canva as an AI tool, but during the last couple of months, they've added numerous AI features such as MagicWrite, an image generator, and integrations with tons of other AI software. You can now generate captions, product descriptions, product pictures, and AI voices to use in your content, all for free. It's awesome, really. Number 18. Replicate. This is also a very simple yet powerful tool. Every single person that has worked with online business knows that upscaling product shots, logos, or literally any image is often needed. This is where Replicate will help you out. Replicate offers a lot of different models that will upscale and enhance your images without losing any quality whatsoever. This works so well thanks to their AI algorithms that analyze your image and then add the necessary pixels to keep the same sharp feel. It's free unless you use it a lot, as they will eventually ask you to pay for your model usage. This next tool is also super useful for basically anyone. It's called TinEye, and it's a reverse search engine which might sound very confusing. Basically, if you've ever wondered where an image or product might come from, you can easily find out using TinEye. What you do is you input an image, like a product listing on whatever site like Etsy or Amazon, and then TinEye, along with its AI tech, will search the entire web for the same image. This way, you can easily find suppliers to trending products, which is always a challenge. Pretty useful, huh? The last AI tool I've got for you today is called DeepAI. On this platform, there's a bunch of different features, but I want to talk about only one of them. I am talking about a machine learning model that will colorize any black and white photo, meaning that you just upload your colorless photo, and within seconds, DeepAI will colorize the whole picture. Just take a look at this black and white picture that I uploaded and the result I got. That looks pretty realistic to me. It's also 100% free, so you don't need to worry about any financial problems. That's pretty much it, y'all. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and most importantly, comment what you want me to cover next. Bye-bye.